Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to set Microsoft Copilot as your digital assistant on Samsung Galaxy phones. So step 1 is scroll most of the way down the settings menu and tap apps. Step 2, now hit choose default apps and select digital assistant app. Step 3, yes you did just do this. But you now have to tap digital assistant app again on the new page. Step 4, ensure you have the Copilot app installed already to do this, but otherwise it's as simple as tapping the Copilot option and then agreeing to the warning pop-up then that explains what the digital assistants can access. Step 5, you can use the same shortcut gesture as before to open up Copilot through. Sadly, you can't rewind the power button long press option. That's only available to Bixby, but you can rewind the double press shortcut to open Copilot. Hope this guide will help you, so please leave us like and subscribe this channel for more guides like this video. Thank you so much.